Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going over Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Get it right. So let's get in and let's get into the review. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're going into this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For those of you who follow my channel, you guys know when I first started making videos, Ipsy Glam Bag was actually, once it was live, I was actually one of the very first subscriptions that I bought. I was excited, definitely loved it, and actually, if you followed my channel up until this point, you guys know I took a pause on getting Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I felt like I was being overwhelmed with product after product after product. So something told me the other day just to go ahead and resubscribe just to see if there's any difference. So I can give you guys my honest review and see what I'm gonna do with it, see if I'm gonna keep it, what have you. So if you don't know, this is a monthly subscription. It comes in this bag right here. Now, last time when I was reviewing, when I last subscribed, it came in a box. It no longer comes in a box. It comes in this little bag here, and all of the products are inside. So these are just reusable bags. Kind of reminds you of like the Ipsy Glam bag, but this is a different type of bag. It's not a makeup bag. You can kind of use this for any other things that you want. Now, it's $25 a month, and you get full size products. Now, it kind of threw me off. First, if you're watching this video, you understand that this bag is from last month. This bag didn't arrive until today. So that was the crazy part. So yeah, just a little late. So I was a little disappointed, and I know that they're having shipping issues. That's like the first thing when I reached out to Ipsy, that was like the first thing that they mentioned. So I'm like, okay, we can deal with it, and I will be patient. But it took a very long time, longer than normal. So I was kind of disappointed in that because we're up to the next month, and I'm just getting last month. So that was kind of disappointing. So the products that I have though, it kind of threw me off again. So that was another bust for me because look at the products that we have here. They're so small. When I was getting Ipsy, the products were like, I'm just using this because it's here. The products were like big. We would get like a huge cleanser. You would get like a toner. You would get, I love this. My profile always focused on skincare. So because I don't put makeup on every day. I usually just put makeup on if I'm going out or because I work from home even before 2020. I've always worked from home, so I don't put makeup on every day, but I definitely always needed skincare because I focus on my skin every day. So that was like a little disappointing thing here, but we're gonna go through the items, and if you get Ipsy, just let me know if this is like an off month because I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this subscription. So the very first thing I have here is from Purease. Now I love Purease. I was introduced to Purease because of Ipsy, so I definitely love their products. This is BB Cheek Color. So you see that there. And it is sealed. So let me see if I can grab this here. And it is raining outside my door. Sorry, that threw me off. So this is what the product looks like. And let me see if we can take a look and see. Okay, so I do see that. Okay, so I didn't put a lot, but let me see. Usually their product smells really good. You can kind of see it from the light. It's a little orangey, but we'll see. It's cheek color, so you know, it's a light cheek color. This is good because I usually tend to have dry skin, not in the summer, but I don't mind using like a colored I didn't even realize Purease had makeup, so there's that. All right, so the next thing we have here, let me see. What is this? This is concealer, and this is from Complex Culture. I've never heard of this company before, so let me see. Okay, so this is nice. And let's see how this looks here. Let me see. I like to shake them up because sometimes it's been sitting there and you have no idea. You want to mix the product, so that is the color there. Okay, not bad. That one I can do that one. But this just seems like a little product. This looks like a little product that they would put in like an Ipsy Glam bag. So And then I have Tarte. So we have a Tarte lipstick here, and the color for this is Rose. And I know this, I saw a couple other videos. This is how it looks. And then let me see. I know you have to lift this up. I'm just smelling to see if it smells like anything sweet. Okay, so that's not bad. I told him that I wanted nude colors because I prefer nude colors. So that, okay, I can dig that one. All right, so that's not bad for sure. And then let me see what else we have here. Now this one I was actually excited about because you get to choose your products, but this time around I didn't get to choose my product because this was my first month coming back. So they actually, it was probably a little late in the month, but they chose the products for me based on my profile, according to them. So this is actually from Fenty Beauty. Now I do not own any Fenty Beauty, so I was excited to see this because I love their packaging for the product. Let me see that. Okay, and then this one is, let me see. Now this one is eyeliner, and this one is Cousin Black. So this is a Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner, and okay, so this one is like one of those retractable liners, and see that I can dig. All right, so those two products so far, Tarte and Fenty Beauty, those are good. Now, Dr. Brandt, I've used Dr. Brandt a lot. I usually get these in my FabFitFuns. Used to get them in my Ipsy, but, and now Laura, no, it was just Ipsy and FabFitFun. So this is Pores No More. This is a pore purifying mask. So I'm not gonna open that up, but yeah, that was everything in my Glam Bag Plus. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys think this is worth it. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of confused because the full-size products, it just doesn't seem like this month. And like I said, I didn't choose the products, they automatically choose them for me, but it was kind of a disappointing month. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys still keep Ipsy, or have you decided to give it a loss? What do you do? What are you guys doing? So I don't know. I put them all in here and I'll decide. I guess you'll see it in the thumbnail what I decided to do. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Have a good day, guys.